Because you have been a former member of parliament before, of course, a minister throughout the administration, it means that your experience is seen in your responses to this very subject matter. If there's one advice you would want to give both sides, whether it's the minority led by Penyo Maki and now Mahama Yariga leading the majority, what would it be, foremostly?
I would say focus on Ghana. Focus on ensuring that every step of the way, what you do is in the interest of the country. And always trust that the people are capable of knowing who really is working in Ghana's interest. As long as that is your focus, you work your work for the country, allow the judgment to be passed. And then again, judgment is not even going to be passed just immediately. The whole psyche of our country needs to change. The situation where election is over on December 7th, and as soon as the following day, after a new what you call president has been announced, election must start the next day in terms of behaving as if we are in another election year. It must stop. It just must stop. There is a time for governance. And that period of governance requires that you allow a government to settle, a government to start to work, allow things to take their course, and then over time, if there are mistakes that are emerging in that process of governance, you now can start making your noises. But it appears from the point of our friends that as far as they are concerned, the election for 2028 has started already. They're behaving as if we are already on a campaign trail. And that mindset of I must do everything possible to make the other unpopular right now is, I would say, it's a vestige of the past that we must transcend from. We must appreciate that we are not going to win power simply because we are making noises from day one. We win power simply because the people feel that what it is we are doing in our conduct, in our narrative, in our love, in our principles, inures to the benefit of the people. So, you know, the good book says, be swift to hear, be slow to speak, and be slow to act. Because the wrath of man does not accomplish the righteousness of God. There are so many instances where we are too much in a hurry. And we believe that by simply being quick to shout, quick to criticize, quick to condemn, somehow we are going to be ignoring the benefit, the support of the people. But that's not how it works. There's a time and there's a season for everything. And that's a good advice I'll give to everybody. Focus on Ghana, be patriotic, do everything you can for the country. And at the end of the day, the people will speak again when the moment comes.